Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject is Accommodation Operations 1, subject code C303, chapter 3, Linen Room. This is the fifth session of same chapter. The objective of this session is to understand the storage facilities and conditions. It is very important for a supervisor and a guest room attendant how to store all the linens and all the laundry material in a proper place, so that it will not be damaged and it won't get any kind of dust and dirt on your linen. So to know and to understand the storage facilities and conditions in a better way. Storage of linen. While in storage, linen must be kept free from dust. It is inevitable that where linen is handled, dust and fluff will be present. Therefore, all fresh linen should be stored under cover. Linen may be covered by curtains drawn across the shelves, or they may be stored in cupboards with slatted sliding door. Articles that are not in frequent use, such as mattress, protectors, curtains, and blankets, may be stored covered with dust sheets. It is always better if you cover all the linens which directly comes from the laundry for the use. If you don't cover it, otherwise dust and dirt may accumulate or settle on your linen, and again you have to send it to the washing purpose in the laundry. So the more frequent washing may deteriorate or damage the quality of your linen, and after some time you have to throw all your linen and you have to go for the new purchase of linen. So it is always better, and you should think about that how we can increase the shelf life of the product as far as linen is concerned. If we wash it properly, if we iron it properly, and if you store in a proper place with a proper air ventilation and proper lighting systems, and there are various cupboards and shelves which are specifically prepared and made for various category and types of linen, so it helps to provide protection, and it helps to increase the shelf life of your product like linen. So the linen stock should be rotated in order on first in first out basis. See, it is a principle whenever you receive any linen from the laundry, you have to issue the first in first out linen, right? The moment you receive the linen, the same linen should go out from your linen stock to the use in various guest rooms or maybe in the restaurant as per the requirement. Do not provide any old linen for the service in the guest rooms. It provides very bad impression about the hotel and it affects on the standard of the hotel, right? So while placing fresh linen on shelves, especially in the heavier ones, it should be ensured that the fold faces outwards. See, as far as heavier items are concerned, it should always be placed at the lower shelves, and the fold size should be faces outwards, so it can easily hold the weight of the shelves as well as the cupboard, and it will not damage your cloth or linen. And also heavier linen should be placed on lower shelves. Smaller articles such as fresh towels and serviettes are placed in bundles of 10. It is very easy to count all the fresh towels and keep it in a bundle and keep it in the cupboards or shelf as per the requirement. Otherwise, guest room attendants or a person who is handling the linen will get confused, and his workload will increase to find out all varieties of linen from the one shelves or cupboards. So it is always better to go for various shelves and various cupboards to keep all kinds of linen which can be easily found as and when you require. So this was all about storage and facilities which are provided for the storage. Now we are moving towards the quiz on storage facilities and condition. I put up the quiz link in the comment box of my YouTube channel, right? You can appear for the quiz and you can see the score online. So this was all about storage facilities which are provided for the linen. This is the references which I used for my PPT. And finally, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.